I know you're going to your dad's for Christmas, but New Year's, you're going out with me and my girl Lola.
That sounds fun, but Dad and I always watch.
Please don't finish that. Ryan Seacrest, Rocket Eve.
Dad and I have spent every Christmas together since I was born. We're each other's only family now.
Ice skating on the lake?
It's tradition. I was just wondering what day I should come up for the holidays.
Yeah, I've been meaning to talk to you about that.
Did you turn my bedroom into a gym or something? Brandy, what are you doing here?
Stop raping my dad! Oh, shit.
Brandy and I are suing each other.
Like, seeing each other's private? I'm gonna punch you in the throat, widow raper. Brandy and I went to high school together.
She was my nemesis.
Shit! And now she's dating my father.
Yeah, that has a certain ick factor to it.
Oh my God, I borrowed a tampon from her once after gym. I think that makes us Eskimo sisters.
No, it doesn't.
A lot's changed since then. Give her a chance.
She can't just show up and wave her magic tits around and think she's part of this family. Do you have some fetish for old guys? You wanna hop on pop?
Your father is a spectacular lover.
No. Erase! I have to do something.
You could be the bigger person and
Break them up.
or process your emotions like an adult.
Emma Lockhart? You used to be Brandy Barnes' next door neighbor. I used to date Brandy.
Do you wanna join us tomorrow?
Are you asking me on a date?
I will guarantee you a $2,000 bar tab.
You're the man from her past, the one who got away?
This is kind of weird, right?
If you want to go to war with me, I'll win.
Guard your titties, bitch!
What's all this?
Just your standard uniform for cookie baking.
Oh, there are mugs too? We're all in this together.
We need to do something to liven up this party.
Did he really have to take his shirt off to do that? With my beer.
You ready, Gramps?
Dad, no.
Dad, are you okay? Oh my God! Christmas is canceled! God bless us. Everyone.
It's nice to see you and your neat sister.
I'm his daughter.
Right.
She's boning him.